Kamangunenyu ale ibaibai eng olda tugul ole mitei ako atochin eng tetutiet noto nebo Kas Mashinani neomite tuwai eng betutab rani kwane Bernard Tanoi ara itagat kitaune logoiwekchok logoiwek chetinye ak lewenisiet eng emetab Ethiopia noto nebo AUC ole mitei kandoik kebeberat nebo Ethiopia kokeni keyai lewenisionotok eng betutab mutai ole koyai tuyet President William Ruto ak kandoik cheterter.
Hello, Mr. President. How are you? Yes. Yes. Thank you very much. I'm told you already.
Tu vas bien? Bien.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome, Chair. My sister.
How are you?
Fine. How are you?
Good to see you. I heard you came in this afternoon.
Yes, I came in this afternoon. Welcome to our part of the world.
Thank you again.
How are you? We were together in Nairobi just the other day. Yes. Hello.
My
Your
Cabinet
Excellency,
Secretary.
good to see
would
you
know
again.
already.
Hello.
Yes.
Director General of the Foreign Service.
Okay.
Donald Ford.
Hello. How are you? Very good.
That's good.
Please.
Damilola. So now you have two. It's so good to see you.
Thank you very much, Mia. Thank
How
you
is it
very
been?
much. Everything is about with all the stuff we are grappling with. Is cooling down. We are trying to get off Somalia the corner. But we are doing our best.
Ko noto ko President William Ruto nekayai tuyet ak kandoik cheterter cheboto nebo ng'echeret nemondoi nebo AUC noto ko Musa Faki Mahamat ole kotuiyo kora ak Prime Minister nebo emetab Barbados Mia Mottley ole kang'alale akobo ortinwek chebo kakimitetab tilyandit nemie eng kwenutab emetab Kenya ak emetab Barbados ole eng kasaratak ko kaiwek chekongoi Ruto noto ko nebo ng'echeret eng AUC noto ko Musa Faki noto mondoi kokaibata lewenisiet nekeyoe eng betutab mutai Jumamos eng taonitab Addis Ababa eng emetab Ethiopia ole tobeni konyek tugul emonoto bo Ethiopia eng kasarta netetat keyai lewenisionotok asikenai kele ng'o newendi koiku nebo ng'echeret eng AUC neibe boroindo nemetoi Musa Faki. Ketesetai komoche bororietab Okiek eng kebeberta noto nebo Narok nemenye komosta nebo Sasimwani eng Narok North nekikiisto eng timdo nebo Masai Mau Forest eng kenyitab 2023. Serikali kowekta icheket koba timoto amu matindoi ole kuren gaa. Kondochin Mzee Wilson Memusi ak Mzee Francis Maritim komwa bororionoto bo Okiek kole tindoi ichek kaimutik chechang kong'ete ngeisto icheket eng timdo nebo Mau ole mache ichek kiwekta koba tumoto bo Masai Mau Forest asikobit komeng'is komie amu eng nguno kobune kaimutik chechang ole some serikali kokonyit ng'atutiet noto kikon kapkirwok nebo Arusha kole kiwekta icheket koba timdo noto nebo Masai Mau noto kimenye ichek koboch keny.
Ya kufurushwa kutoka nyumbani tarehe 2 2023 na kutoka saa hii bado tuko barabarani na tulitolewa kimakosa kwa sababu hatuna hatia yoyote ambaye angeweza kupea serikali kutufurusha katika nyumbani. Na hii boma ambayo nyumbani ile ambayo tulikuwa tunaishi ni mahali ambayo tumesaliwa na ikasaliwa wasasi ya visasi kutoka kule Sasimwani. Na juzi ikakuja ikawekwa boundary, watu wengine wakarudishiwa wala ambao tulitolewa pamoja, na sisi hatujarudishiwa, turudi mashamba yetu. Na hii mashamba yetu ni mashamba ambayo ilikuwa imehalishwa na serikali, ambayo tulipewa na serikali ya Kenyatta 1972. Sijui hii serikali ambayo alikuja kututoa ni serikali alitutoa kwa njia gani? Sababu wakati ambayo commissioner Bwana Natembeya alikuwa hapa ambaye alitoa watu wengine ambayo ndani ya Mau kule south, sisi tukiwa north hatujaguswa. Kwa hivyo tunauliza kwa nini watu wengine warudishiwe na wengine ambayo wawachwe barabara, na sisi hatuna hatia. Na tulienda kotini Arusha juzi, ikasemekana ya kwamba serikali hajafurusha jamii ya Okiek, na tunashindwa ni nani alituvurusha. Tunataka kujua ni nani ambaye alituvurusha, alafu akuja aturudishe, kwa sababu serikali amesema sio hawa walituvurutisha. Sasa sijui ni nani ambaye alitutoa. Tunataka kujua kuanzia sasa, kwa sababu tayari tumepeana barua ya kuonesha kwamba turudi nyumbani kwetu, na tunangoja ripoti kuanzia leo. Wiki hii tunangojea ripoti, alafu turudi nyumbani.
Sisi kama the Council of Elders, registered Court of Sogot Council of Elders, tunawakilisha kaunti 6. Mimi natoka Kericho, kuna kutoka Nandi, na sisi tutazunguka kaunti 6. Na juzi tukao na PS wa ardhi akasema shamba ile mtapewa ni eka 5. Tunataka huyo PS aende kotini appeal. Wakati wa appeal iliisha, yeye mwenyewe tuliongea akaniambia give and take, it means 5 acres ambaye hii kupitishwa na kotini. Ilisemekana community land ambaye saa hizi tuko hapa, we want a community land. Bila hiyo hatuwezi kufurahia. Tulikuwa kotini Arusha na wakaomba ya kwamba wapewe tarehe miezi 3, na hiyo miezi 3 iliisha jana. Saa hizi venye iko hakuna reason nimerudi kule. Tumekuwa na petition kali sana. Sisi tumejitokeza wafanye vile watafanya. Tumekaa kidete kwa sababu naona Council of Elders yenye wamepewa jukumu na kule kotini wanajaribu kuhepa.
Mengi yamesemwa, na langu nilikuwa ni ombi kwa governor wa Narok. Tunakuomba bwana governor na viongozi wote including the women rep, the MP Narok North, watoto wetu wameteseka. Bwana governor, umezunguka juzi, umefanya demarcation pale Olokurto NITU Park, umerudisha watu kwa mashamba yao. Nauliza, Sasimwani ndio msitu kuliko hiyo misitu ingine yote? Huko ndio kulikuwa na miti yenye ingeshikilia hii Kenya mzima. Tena mahali tu Ogiek wako ndio msitu, mahali jamii zingine ziko sio msitu.
Ko ing logoiwechoto tinye kakirirekab bororietab Okiek eng kebeberta nebo Narok kebenda koi county noton nebo Kericho, ole kinyoru sirindenyo Robert Siele ole mitei ak kandoik chebo neranik eng county nebo Kericho kondochin president nebo neranik eng county notok Elkanah Mutai ole ng'ololen akobo lewenetab principal secretaries ole kosubkei ak icheket konyolu kelewen principal secretaries eng oret nenyolu asikenyor kiboitinik chetindoi naet noton nebo yaetab boisionik. Ko Robert Siele angot kinyorwo ko ne kursetab neranik eng county nebo Kericho kotinygei ak boisionikab serikali.
Kongoi mising kipendanu en studio nebo Kass TV anyorunen oret nekararan en nguni amiten en taonitab Kericho ole kou ole kemwa kotesetai iman ng'alalet kotinygei ak lewenetab principal secretaries chekiimuch kobarasta anan kokaito kainutikwak president nebo emoni. Ole en betab raini kemiten ak alak en neranik kobun county nebo Kericho kondochin president nebo neranik en county noton nebo Kericho noton ko Elkanah Mutai. Ole amache sikobit koarorwech komwoi kole tos ne magutikwak anan tos ne kit nekere kole makat keyai en kweetab principal secretaries ko oret agenge nebo kecheng kiboitinik cheimuche koboisiechi serikalitab emoni ak biikab emoni en oret nenyolu ak keityi magutikab biikab emet. So itakat eng noton nebo Kass TV en betab raini Elkanah Mutai, tos mongen en kasarta netesetai ng'alalet mising kotinygei ak kweetab principal secretaries ko neranik en county nebo Kericho, ko tos ne saming'wang koityi president nebo emoni ak agencies anan kibagengeisiek chetinyegei ak siretab kandoichoto?
Neta amache awekyi president kongoi ngamun en hatua nekoib sikobit ko shortlisten kandoik chebo Kericho county, ako ma Kericho county inegen lakini the entire country. amache awekyi kongoi ngamun kokikere kele biik che kokishortlisten for interview oindo 2 weeks ago ko biik che kikere kele very competent. Kit nekisome kityo president ko kit agenge, ko ki neranikab Kericho. Kakibwan en betutab raini sinyokesom president kelenjin nguni kokoyai public service board interview. Kit nekisome president kelenjini leadership nenyone the principal secretaries chekibendi koappointen inendet. Kesome president kelenji ingolewen biik chemuche kasit, chemuche kotoret inendet ak kotoret ministaekyik koyai kasit nekararan kot missing. Amache kora asom kora president alenji koki neranikab Kericho ko ketinye malilio chechok. Kisome president kelenjin kikere kele en among the shortlisted candidates kekere kele miten youthful youth from our county Kericho. Kesome president kelenjin kwendi koteuani bichuto PSS, kesome president kelenjin kotoretech koappointen akine neranikyok chebunu Kericho county.
En county nebo Kericho komiten kandoik chechang kot missing. Tos mangen ale ngo mara anan tos samingwan kone koityi president ngo chito nekere ile imuch koityi magutikwan anan kandoik achon cheimuche chekokere ile imuch kotoretok?
Amache auk very specific. En Kericho koki shortlisten kandoikyok somok. Agenge ko former MP nebo Kipkelionist Kibare Limo, nebo oeng ko Pakistan nebunu Belkut, nebo somok ko chairman nebo National Employment Authority noton ko Vincent Kigen. Asome president ale ko ki neranikab Kericho kekere kijana nenyon nekibare Vincent Kigen ngamun kisome kelechi koappointen we Vincent Kigen ngamun kikere kasit nekokoyai. Keng'olole raini Robert Shele ko keng'olole ketinye immigration center en Kericho County ireyu Huduma Center ngamun en courtesy nebo Vincent Kigen noton ko chairman nebo National Employment Authority. Nebo oeng keng'olole Vincent Kigen kora ko kokotoretech kolandewech lagokyok chebo Kericho County ama Kericho inegen, the entire South Rift mzima kekere kele kokolanda lagokyok ne konai my own statistics ketinye nguni over 300 youths cheyoe kasit en bitonin olin courtesy nebo Vincent Kigen noton ko chairman nebo National Employment Authority. Ko somenyun en president alenji kijana ni kekere kele kokoyai kasit, kandoindoni kikere kele letat chichi, kisome kelechi president iwendi iteuani viongozi iconsiderenwech Vincent Kigen. Kingen kele inyokotoretech ko ki neranik ama neranik ichegen inyokotoreti akine president en agenda nenyin nebo bandaptai nebo emet.
Kimiten ng'alalet en tai kele kimiten alak en neranik chekamuch koesio banwekab emotinwekab sang kole imuch ko oret agenge neuon kabekelakta neranik en emotinwek choton. Ne kotikonet koityi neranik en kasarta ne kinyorchingei boisionik en emotinwek chebo nje?
Amache amwochi neranik alechi nguni keng'olole ko emenyon nebo Kenya ko kokwo president nenyon ak kwo kosainen mkataba ak emotinwekab sang. Makou keny yukinyet ele kikinyoru kele kakilakta ala kakiseret lagokyok en olimbo Saudi Arabia. Nguni keng'olole kekere kele ndebirchini ra simoisiek lagokyok chemi emotinwekab sang. For example ongen many of them chebo Kericho, more than 50 of them nguni chekokoba. Niteben nguni kolechin aye nda possible ongotakobwa biik alak inyoketoretkei kibagenge. Keng'olole raini Robert Shele ko chang vijana ala chang neranik chechok chekekere kele kokonam kotekso en olibo gaa, en olibo resop ngamun en kasisiek cheyoe ano en bitonin. Mamiten any single case nekokenyoru as the president nebo vijana en Kericho County. Makitinye any single case nekikose kele tinye complaints bikyok ala neranikyok chemiten emotinwekab sang. Asome neranikyok chebo Kericho County alenji ongetestai ketil passport ak ongetestai keborchingei keaplaen kasisiek chebo emotinwekab sang sikotoretech koki neranik en boisionikyok chebo bandaptai.
Okay, en kwenut kora kotam komiten terchinosiek missing en kwenutab neranik kotinygei ak kibagengeisiek cheterter chebo kandoinatet en county nebo Kericho. Kotinygei ak katuiyetabgei nebo neranik en county nebo Kericho ko tos ne kereng'ung ile en neranik kotinygei ak boisietab kibagenge ak keti mara ko ng'echeret nebo president inegen asikenyor boisionik cheterter en serikalitab county ak national government?
Amwachini neranikyok alechi kot komi kit nebo maana nguni, tam komi kandoindet netam kochome komwa kole kandoindet kou chepyoset, yon kimotenyoru nekimoche iyan nekikekonin. Ko kinosome vijana chechok neranikyok alechini ongeti kandoik chekikinde ng'echerok sikobit kotoretech koyoiwech boisionik ngamun yekinam nguni bolotet, yekinam keterchine ko echek cheumiandos raia ana sana ko vijana chechok kimoche kikochi ample time kandoikyok koyoiwech kasit sikobit koborwech kora boisionik kong'eten national government from the president kotoretech ak kora en county government nenyon nebo Kericho kondochin governor Dr. Eric Mutai.
So en let ko en nguno rakotesetai ngalalet kotinygei ak lewenetab neki Prime Minister en emoni Raila Odinga kochut koek nebo ngecheret en kibangetab katuiyetab kei nebo emotinwekab Africa chebo AU. Ne kereng'wang ko neranik? Tos kere ile anan ikase ngalalet nekorom mising kele manyumnyum konyor kotko manyor ko angen ale ingen akinye kit nebwote biik chechang en emoni kole kotko manyor ko ne nerube. Ne kereng'ung ako ne sameng'ung koityi anan kotinygei ak lewenetab neki Prime Minister Raila Odinga koek nebo ngecheret?
To baba ko kinomwoch en Raila Amolo Odinga echek ko ki neranikab Kericho ko kiungani mkono baba 100%. Sikeungani mkono baba ko ngamun kokeker somet nekokosom president nenyo kole ko ki emet mzima as a country kikibare broad based government ko kokiyan ak echek kele kikibare broad based government ko kit nenyokoibu kalyet en emet ko kokiyan kele kiyoni raini kesapoten baba en ng'echerani nebo AU konyor baba ng'echeretab AU sikobit konyokotoret president nenyon William Ruto kotestai kasit ak bandab tai nebo emet komie en emenyon. Amache kora asom neranikyok alechi raini ko this is a matter of national interest. Raila Amolo Odinga ra komakelelen bo lemek. Raila Amolo Odinga ko nenyon echek tugul. Notok kisome kele makimache raini ng'alekab tribalism. Kimache kiiste ng'alekab ukabila sikobit kotestai emenyon komie. Keker nguni kotestai kofomeni kit nekibare prosperous government Dr. William Samoei Ruto. Kekere kele kokobit kalyet en emet. Ndakitesetai kou niton ko kakitoret president nenyon William Ruto sikobit kodeliveren en manifesto nenyin ak agenda nebo the plan nebo United Democratic Alliance Party.
Kongoi mising. So siketorote Pentanui siawekun soet konyo studio nebo Kass TV testai tetutik en betutab raini. Ko betutab raini ko betut noton tarikit 14 arawetab oeng en kenyitab 2025 noton ko Valentine's Day. Ako Pentanui kou ole kertoi neranik chu mi ko mami chito nekalach kit nebirir, mi kityo agenge nakere lakini uon kobo Arsenal anan among'u ale uu noton. Ko tos mangen ale president en betutab raini akere momiten en itundo noton nebo Valentine kou ole tam kibwotito ne kit neikere ile koib atebet neuni simaolach ngoroik chebiriren kama vijana.
Number one, Robert Shele ko en iman yan kakimwa ne ukweli ko generation ninyon yon mami kwenik komoe kowui kasit sana. So kit nekakoaffecten ng'alekab chomyet en our generation ko ng'alekab kwenik. Mami kwenik, so sikere kakiyan kele raini kebendi echek murenik men's conference sikeng'alal ng'alekyok chebo murenik. Nebuch en inei kelelen happy Valentine's Day to everyone outside there. Kit age kora Robert Shele simautien ko if you look at the issue about Valentine's Day for example, just to bring you fast, kit nekohappen ak amut ak koishechu kit nekotestai en emet ako en Kipsigis akobo tienindenyon nekibore Vicky Brilliance. Ko ndekere tienwogik chekotam kotieni Vicky Brilliance ko tienwogik cheko very educative, lakini kit nekonyokwapen ak abak behind the scenes ko mambo ni different kwa ground kokoterit kabisa. So kouon kou noton bwana Robert Shele kiweche
mising. So Pentanui choton ko alak en neranik en county nebo Kericho ng'ololjin ketishoni ole kaikas kakoaror icheket kotinygei ak lewenet noton nebo principal secretaries en emoni chekamwa kole makat kekwei kandoik chetindoi naet ak kimnotet kot mising nebo koboisie icheket ak koityi magutik. Kakoaror kora kole kotinygei ak betut noton nebo Valentine ko kosubkei ak alyetab sobet nemiten en emet en nguni ak mising konyorunetab rabisiek chemara kaimut en chong'indab biikab emet ak neranik ko noton kit nekaimuch kochor maimuch koboiboenchi betutab raini kobaten among'u ale tokor kotokyingei saisiek alak koboiboenchi tugul en oret neingen kobaten keboisien kityo alyet nemiten ng'weny asimaimuch kokochi icheket kewelutik kaimutik alak tugul. So Pentanui nawekun soet konyo studio nebo Kass TV kitejo noton nebo Kass Mashinani itestai ak logoiwek alak chebo emet kobun kebeberwek cheterter en emoni kotokor koit let en betutab raini. So ng'eten county nebo Kericho kainenyun ko Robert Shele, testai iker Kass TV amun kimnotet naet.
Kongoi mising Robert Shele ko noto ko sirindenyo Robert Shele eng county nebo Kericho noto ko ng'ololi ak neranik kobun county noto ko kondochin president nebo neranik eng county nebo Kericho Elkanah Mutai chekakong'alale akobo kiboitinikab serikali mising ko lewenetab principal secretaries chemwoe kole nyolu kikweny ak kelewen asikenyor kechikil komie asikenyor principal secretaries cheimuchi koyochi serikali boisionik. Ketesetai ko kakecher kampunishek chetinyegei ak tuget anan insurance koboisie muswoknotetab kasari eng boisionikwai chebo kotugul mising ko kotinygei ak tugetab tililindo anan health insurance. Kamwa ofisayat neo nebo kampunitab M-Tiba Peter Prikatz kole kikonyumnyumitu boisionik chechang chebo tugetab tililindo kosubkei ak muswoknotet nelel nebo artificial intelligence AI ak kounotok konyolu keboisie kong'ololi anan kang'ololi ine eng tuiyetab CEOs chebo kampunishekab insurance nekakiyai eng taonitab Nairobi ole kamitei ofisaek cheboto CEO nebo Jubilee Health Insurance Njeri Jomo.
As M-Tiba, we're a technology company, so we partner with insurance companies to make sure that their health insurance product become digitized. So we work together with our insurance partners on many fronts, looking at, for instance, the health insurance policies, how people can access their benefit, and also how claims can be processed for health insurers. Technology is inevitable and also really necessary to drive progress, as long as it is being used responsibly. So my advice, or as you ask, my advice for all players in the industry, it's like work with partners, try to experiment in a safe way, but try to adopt the opportunities that technology brings. Data protection is a very important matter, especially in health insurance. So we are very serious about that at M-Tiba. We make sure that all the medical data and all the personal healthcare data is stored very thoroughly and very secure in our platform. So we work with that with the greatest commitment to make sure that data privacy is safeguarded.
There are many concerns with people thinking that technology will replace them, but I think what technology does, technology is an enabler. It makes things easy, get done easier, faster. But does it replace the human being? Not quite. And I think there's still always strong use cases for where we will still need people. So technology will have a use case for what is repetitive, things that can be automated and so on, but you still are going to need people. But there's also a challenge for all of us as employees to keep upskilling ourselves and improving our skill set, because technology is learning from us. Whether it's AI, it's learning from us and repeating it back to us. Jubilee Health Insurance today uses AI in a couple of use cases. One of the one we're most excited about is around claims adjudication, where when claims come in, we are really able to unpack them and be able to see what are we treating for, what is the treatment protocol, and be able to see against ICD-10, ICD-11 what prescription, and be able to identify what we call fraud, waste, and abuse. But we also use AI. We have a chatbot called Julie, where you can be able to talk to us. And the last use case for me will probably be around our telematics initiative, where we use AI to be able to make the journey of making preventive care a lot more useful.
Ketesetai ko kakonerekyi President William Ruto kibagengeisiek chechigili kamuget nebo lipanetab besenwogik anan credit rating agencies eng mwaet kole konu report nemakararan kotinygei ak emotinwekab Africa chemoche kosom besenwogik kobun benkisiek ak benkisiek alak chebo emotinwek chebo sang. Kamwa Ruto kole kosubkei ak notok komanyoru emotinwekab Africa besenwogik chetindoi interest rates chemitei ng'ony, amu iboru report nebo kibagengeisiek chotok kole imuch komalipan besenwogik chotok emotinwekab Africa kou ole nyolu. Kang'ololi ine eng tuyet nekakiyai eng karonetab raini eng taonitab Addis Ababa eng emetab Ethiopia.
Global credit rating agencies have let us down. They continue to rely on very flawed models and outdated assumptions. And the whole system is also biased. The result is that they paint a very unfair picture of our economies, and this has devastating effects because it leads to distorted ratings of what the situation really is. And it also leads to exaggerated risk of our countries and our continent, and obviously that leads to very high borrowing costs. The time has come to rewrite our history and reclaim our narrative and charge the African Renaissance forward. Esteemed colleagues, our urgent calling is to fulfill our duty to Africa's people and ensure that our continent takes its rightful place in shaping global progress in its full capacity and potential, both as a people and as countries. That is why we are gathered here today. Africa's economic potential is hamstrung by a financial system that misrepresents, distorts, and understates our reality. Global credit rating agencies have not only dealt a bad hand, they have also deliberately failed Africa. They rely on flawed models, distorted and outdated assumptions, and systemic bias, painting an unfair picture of our economies and leading to distorted ratings, exaggerated risks, and unjustifiably high borrowing costs.
Ko tesetai koitun tetutiet nebo kasi mashinani nebo rani komut kasi tarik 14 ako kibendi kamung'et kitikin asiye kiwege ketestai ak tetutioni bo kasi mashinani.